Today we're doing an experimental burn here together with fire and emergency services and fire crew from Parks and Wildlife as well. They're helping out in a long-term experiment which we've been undertaking since 2014. I'm Dr. Ben Miller. I'm a research scientist studying fire ecology. I'm based at Kings Park in Department of Biodiversity, Conservation and Attractions. So we've got a fire ecology research project here in Kings Park. We're looking at the effects of fire and weed management, their interactions here in this experiment. So here we are in the burn site, the experiment which we burnt 6 months ago. So what we can see here is pretty good regeneration after fire. There's lots of things resprouting. The site we're in here was burnt previously 7 years ago. So this experiment has two different rotations. There's the 7-year we're across the pathway is we're halfway through a 14-year rotation. So we've seen this site through one burn 7 years ago and now this one just now. So this burn was undertaken under controlled conditions. It's 3 hectares and it took several hours to undertake that, so the burn was quite slow moving. So this experiment's part of a series of experiments. We've got other sites at Bold Park and a couple of others working with local councils around the Perth metro area. So it's all focusing on the interactions between fire management and weed management. Our findings are already showing the benefits of following burning or following fire in urban areas with weed management. In the absence of weed management, grassy weeds come back and dominate those systems and they potentially enhance the fire risk. But with weed management after fire, it keeps weeds down and helps all of the native species regenerate in those systems. We're still analysing the data because we've just done the survey post-fire this spring, so still to see what the outcomes are, but it looks, after 7 years, it looks like it's coming back quite well.